The Known Error database allows you to search the ServiceNow knowledge base for existing known problems in the system. The Known Error database now provides new features. Let's take a look at how these new features keep you informed about known errors you wish to track and allow you to easily report that your instance is affected. Let's look at an example scenario. Joe, employee of Acme North America, notices an issue occurring on his company's instance. Joe's coworker, Sarah, suggests creating a new problem on High to document the issue. But Joe knows this could be a known error. By looking in the Known Error database, he can quickly verify whether it is or not. If it is a known error, he can report that his instance is affected, as well as receive email updates about the state of the error. He can also see if the error is being discussed in the ServiceNow community. We can search the community for known errors from the ServiceNow homepage, even if we're not logged into High. The search automatically populates results as we type. The icon preceding each search result indicates the type of content, such as discussion, document, known error, or product issue. We see the icon that indicates a known error next to a description that sounds like Joe's issue. This known error may describe the issue Joe has observed. Note that if you are not logged in already, you can log into the page with your High credentials and then subscribe to the error or add comments. We can also search for known errors several ways in High. First, we can access the Known Error database via the knowledge base. On the Known Error page, we can search by category, or we can enter a phrase in the search field. We can also access known errors via the support page in the Customer Self-Service portal on High. On the support page, Joe can specify that he wants to search only the Known Error database by selecting it from the Search In menu, then entering a phrase to search for. We find the same known error here as we did in the community search and the knowledge base. Let's take a look at the new features on the article page: Steps to reproduce, Seen In, Fixed In, and associated community threads. Two new user interface or UI actions can also be accessed from this page: Subscribe and This Affects Me. Let's see what these new features offer you. When you select Subscribe, the system provides email notifications when changes have been made to this known error, which can include when a workaround is updated, a new fix is available, or the problem state changes. We'll subscribe to this known error. Notice that the button changed to Unsubscribe. If you wish to unsubscribe to this known error later to stop receiving notifications, select Unsubscribe. We can also associate the known error with an instance by selecting This Affects Me, and then selecting the instance or instances affected by this error. The Seen In list displays the build of the affected instance. This build information provides ServiceNow experts with valuable information for troubleshooting issues. The Steps to Reproduce section allows you to walk through the steps to determine whether you're experiencing the same issue. When a fix is complete and available for a problem, this information will be automatically populated in the Fixed In section, so you know which release to upgrade to for a permanent fix. The Associated Community Thread section also appears on this page, displaying all community threads associated with this issue. In the list of associated community threads, the Community Thread field provides a link to each thread. The Responses field tracks the number of replies within the thread. Finally, the Upvote field indicates the number of times that a customer has associated their instance with the issue. When a community moderator in the ServiceNow community sees that a customer added a community thread about a product issue, they can associate it with the current problem or create a new one. Using the new features of the Known Error database, Joe is able to subscribe to the latest information about a known error, report that an instance is affected, and view any discussion about the issue in the ServiceNow community. For more information, please consult our knowledge base or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.